At one side, make note how air intake duct attaches to tow hook. Remove air intake duct. Pull down on back, then pull forward. Repeat to remove air intake duct on opposite side. Next, using a utility knife, trim air intake ducts to allow clearance of front mount. Measure straight down from inside edge of tow hook to bottom of air deflector and mark location. Repeat on opposite side. Then, at one side, cut along inside edge of marked area with cutting tool. Repeat on opposite side. Cut tabs along top edge of air deflector with cutting tool. Remove cutout section of air deflector. Remove 2 front bolts securing skid plate. Retain for skid plate reinstall. Next, loosen 2 rear bolts securing skid plate. Slide skid plate off rear bolts and set skid plate aside. Retain for skid plate reinstall. At one side, remove front tow hook bolt. Then loosen rear bolt. Slide tow hook off bolt. Now fully remove rear bolt. Retain for reinstall. Repeat steps to remove tow hook on opposite side. Lift front mount into position and start rear tow hook bolt on one side of mount. Start rear bolt on opposite side of front mount. Lift up on one side of front mount and slide tow hook onto rear bolt until front bolt hole is aligned with front mount hole. Next, install front bolt. Repeat steps to install tow hook on opposite side of front mount. Torque all tow hook bolts to 31 foot-pounds. Slide rear slotted holes in skid plate over loosened rear bolts. Align front slotted holes in skid plate with holes in tow hook. Install front bolts. Fully tighten front and rear bolts. Reinstall air intake ducts.